Hi guys, I quickly want to show you how to write a model and register it to your admin site with Django and Python. Now, once you have started your app and your project, remember to go to your settings file, go to installed apps and set your app there. Add your app to the installed app files. Now go to models file and then you can write class, I'm going to call it reporter, models.model, and then specify it with the first name. This needs let's make it a character field, and you need to specify a max length property here. Let's make it 25. And in order for it to display correctly in your database, do the following. Is your string self, and then just say return. Sorry, guys. Return self dot first name. Okay, once you've done that, you need to register your model at the admin side. Say from dot import models. Okay, and when you're done with that, say admin dot site dot register, and then models dot reporter. Okay, now that's registered. Remember to make migrations. Python manage.py make migrations, as well as to migrate it so that it creates the tables on your database. Python manage.py migrate, and then it will create all the necessary tables and such on your database. You also need a super user, which is Python manage.py create super user, in order for you to access the admin site. Now, I'm going to leave that blank, and then create a password quickly. And okay, password. Okay, super user created successfully. Then run server. Okay, now once that server is up and running, you can navigate to your admin page, you log in, and you'll see that the database has been created or set up for you there. Now it's just loading. Go to the top /admin, log in using the super user you have just created. And then after that, that should take you straight to the admin site. And that's it. As you can see, here is the reporter. So now you can add, the model is there. You can add a reporter, first name, add, save, and there it is. So that's how you create a model and with PyCharm and Django. Thanks a lot. I hope it helps. Thanks guys. Have a lovely day.